Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am sitting here at work. It is Monday, April 15th. It's tax day. Pardon me. But I have finished my pink row, which we rolled for, Friday night I believe it was? Maybe Saturday night? I can't remember. But anyway, pink row was a popcorn stitch, and if you're not familiar with what I've done, this is my third video of this. I am doing the Stitches Right blanket game. This is from the Crochet Crowd. This is a free PDF. I have corrected the link in my previous two videos. Some of you have had issues downloading that. Like I said, now it is correct. I will put the link in the description box for this one as well, so that if you have already looked at the last two and you don't want to go back and look, you can just get it from this one. But if you haven't watched, go back because I'm having fun with this. But anyway, I pre-rolled for the colors, which the first color was the baby color, as you can see here, then a peach color, then a pink color. I pre-rolled for those colors, but I don't pre-roll for the stitches so that it is a complete surprise. So the first roll was the, faux, F-A-U-X, faux popcorn stitch number 3. The second section was the houndstooth, that's stitch number 1, and this last section was a popcorn stitch, which is stitch number 5. And I will just show this to you. I'm not going to show you the whole thing because I chained 110, and I will say this popcorn stitch, I had to frog my, actually I think I had to frog something. I had to frog my popcorn stitch back because I had too many. So I had to redo this so that I had the correct number of chains, because popcorn chain, popcorn single. Of course, well, single, popcorn, single, popcorn, single. So yeah, these rows are complete. So far, I like it. Having fun with this. I do still have tails to weave in. I'm just cutting the string. I'm not finishing off with the knot. I'm just going to weave them in. I'm hoping that this will be good enough that it could potentially be a project for my county fair. So the other day when I did my last video for section 4, let's check off section 3. It's obvious that I've done it, but I'm checking them off as I get them finished. Section 4, we rolled for the color, which is peach. And I'm just going to go ahead, while I'm here, we're going to roll for the stitch for section 4, and we're going to roll for the color on section 5, so that I know what I need to swap out in my bag. So, my dice is missing. I don't know where it's at. I thought I put it in my bag that I put my crochet hooks and stuff in, but I obviously did not. So, I am using random.org. I hope you guys can see this okay. We have 6 different stitch patterns, and I am doing 5 different colors. If I roll a 6, then it is a roll again. So that's what it is. So we're rolling for the stitch for section 4, and then section 4 will be the peach color, which is the second color that I use. So make it good. Sorry, Steve messaged me. Generate 6. So, the stitch is number 6. Let's go see what number 6 is. 5. 6 is the loop tracks. This stitch combo starts on the right side, so it will start on this side of my project. This project is very simple to follow and very simple to do. Other than missing a count, I have not had any problems with it. So, loop tracks, T-R-A-C-K-S, number 6. Let me reply to Steve here real quick. "'Tis all a part of business." All right, now we can get back to what we were doing. Back to random.org, and we're going to roll for the color for section 5. And what I'm going to do here is clear this. We're going to start over. So it puts it back to 0. Max is 6 because 6 is roll again. And my only rules for myself on this game, there is no right or wrong way to do this project. It's however you want to do it. If you want to do it all in the same stitch, you can do that. Just, you know, that's what it states. You are the creator. There is no right or wrong. But my only rules is I will not do the same color twice in a row, and I will not do the same stitch twice in a row. So if we roll a whatever color peach is, whatever number of peach is, we roll again. So we are rolling for the color for section 5. We go through 1 through 6 because, like I said, if I get a 6, here, we'll just open the, well, yeah, we'll just open the book up so we can see. If I get a 6, then it's a roll again. All right, ready? Oh, not 61, just 6. Bing! And it is a 5. Color number 5 is pink. This is going to get old if it's just pink and peach. Okay. It is what it is. It is all random. Alright, I am going to go see about figuring out this loop tracks stitch. This one has 7 rows. I'm noticing they range from like 7 rows. Some of them have 5 rows, depending on how tall the stitch is. Like the clusters have 5 rows, and the popcorn stitch had 5 rows. Nope, that's not on that page. The popcorn stitch had 5 rows. This one has 7. Popcorn stitch 5. The treble ribs have 7 rows. So anywhere between 5 and 7 rows per stitch pattern. So I'm going to grab my peach color and get started on the loop tracks stitch. I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you'd like to join along with me and create this blanket, that would be awesome. If you don't want to, that's fine too. Stash the pattern for another time because it is a lot of fun. And like I said, there are no rules. It is your pattern. You are the creator and you can have fun for it or fun with it. So thank you guys for joining me. Leave me a comment down in the box or the comments below. Let me know if you're making a blanket too or if you plan on making one at another time. And I will see you as soon as I have this section finished.